Hey guys, welcome back to Brick, New Jersey. We are done. We got the new roof on and it's fully thatched. A little bushy right now, but it'll settle. So our day's done. And I didn't put a video. I don't know if I put a video up of the roof on or not, but we're done. And that's what was up there before with some Mexican palm thatch draped over it. So give you a video. This is a really cool area. It's quiet here too for the most part. So this is pretty cool. It was awesome being up on the roof looking out at it. But this wasn't a big job. It didn't take us too long. So I think it's probably around 1 or 2. And there's Jay and Melissa showed up today when we were 7/8 of the way done. She's I don't know where she got to. There's a car though. But we're heading back to the shop and we're gonna probably have some lunch and a couple beers at the Tiki bar. So maybe another video, maybe 3 videos today. All right, well, we're all packed up. We're heading out, and I don't know who built this bar, but it looks like a style from somebody that builds them in Louisiana and delivers them, but I'm not sure. But that's all that's to it. So who knows? We all know who makes the best bars, and that's Tiki Kev. All right, well, leave you with that video right there. So from Brick, New Jersey, Tiki Kev out.